Please turn around, everyone, please. Just pick up any of the sheets.
One by one.
Don't open it without any allowance.
Please don't open.
Please don't open it. Now you are being given 2 minutes for your observation or in order to make a little keynotes at the background of the same sheet of the paper. Okay, you can make your keynotes over there. After 2 minutes, all of a sudden you have to start giving your explanation within 3 minutes. This is the time given to you. Okay, now you can open it. Within 3 minutes they have to speak regarding the pros and cons and each and everything. You have just 2 minutes to make your keynotes and the observation of yours. Don't watch others topic.
Right now you can use your phone as well for 2 minutes.
A very wonderful afternoon to one and all present here.
Good afternoon.
It's me, Ramina Mubashira in front of you. Today I'm sharing about what is the role of English in my life. Okay, it is very good topic for me because I'm student of English Cafe and I know what is the necessary role of English in my life. So I want to tell you about in my schools there are many roles of English. As we all know that without English we cannot do many things. Just like that, if we were go to anywhere, the English language is the main language that we use and communicate with each other. If I want to go to Australia, the main language that is the English language, we can communicate with the Australian person. When I talk about the medical field, so as we all know that we take medicines, so if I don't know about the English language, so how we consider as the expiry date and how we read the expiry date of the medicine. So we take medicine if I don't know the expiry date because the expiry date are written in the English language. If I don't know about the English language, how I recognize this to that is good or that is bad. When I talk about some things that is related to the education system, so as we all know that there are many competitive exams are held. Just like that, APSC, UPSC, the theory paper is also an English paper. So you can choose the English paper. If you know English, you can go with English and have a good marks for any competitive exam. When I talk about the P, I am pursuing a CND. If I don't know English, how can I prescribe anything in the English language? Because as a dietitian, no one is prescribed any medicines as well as diet in the Hindi language. So it is necessary to know English language and it is necessary to know many things in the English. When I talk about the tourist place, so as we all know that we are the citizenship of India.
Okay, that's it from your side. Thanks up. Nicely explained by you also.
Alright, hello everyone. Hello. Good afternoon. The person present in front of you is none other than Mridulesh Kumar Pandey. And I feel very happy to be present at the stage provided by this English Cafe, and I've been a proud student of this English Cafe. Now, the topic that I have assigned with is healthcare system of India. Now, if I talk about this topic, so there is a Sanskrit hymn that is coming into my mind. It is Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramaya. Means, may everyone be happy and may everyone has the benefits of health. Okay, when we talk about this healthcare system in India, so I'd like to highlight some of the points from the pre-independence phase, during which the Britishers were the one who were the governing authority of us, the Indians. So at that particular point of time, the healthcare system was not so much good, and we didn't have as much of hospitals as now we have. So obviously that time was a drastic scene in which even a simple diarrhea can have become a epidemic. The villages were like they were attending n number of funerals, and it was like they were completely in a dilemma as to what should be done and what not. But now, as the humanity move forward, the mankind move forward with the information technology and education, it all gave us the capability to control many of the diseases, and if not control, then at least eradicate some of them. Like after independence, India has many more challenges, right? The first one was to let this newborn baby stand on its own feet in terms of economic reliability. And so as we also have this healthcare system as another major challenge, right? Now, the healthcare is a very important thing for any of the country, because see, any country has its progress completely dependent on its citizens, because they are all the human resources, right? And whatever natural or artificial resources that come into our mind, all those are converted into some useful things or whatever services. It's all because of the skill and intelligence set of human beings, right?
Thank you for explaining the healthcare system of India and you might be very familiar with the pandemic terms.
Well, among 4 of the candidates, 3 of them have already performed in different activities. So we have the last candidate here for this round is none other than Mr. Preetham Kumar. Please welcome guys.
And please